Are you ready to take control of your financial future? With a side hustle business, you can unlock the unlimited potential for extra income. Here's your guide to launching a profitable side hustle business. Step 1. Find your passion. What do you love doing? Turn that passion into a business idea. Whether it's photography, graphic design, or baking, find something you enjoy and can monetize. Step 2. Research the market. Is there a demand for your product or service? Study your competitors and identify what makes you unique. Step 3. Create a business plan. Define your goals, target audience, and marketing strategies. A solid plan will keep you focused and on track to success. Step 4. Set up your brand. Create a memorable name and logo that reflects your business's essence. Develop a professional website and establish your online presence. Step 5. Master your marketing. Utilize social media platforms, email marketing, and word of mouth to promote your business. Engage with your audience and provide value to build a loyal customer base. Step 6. Pricing and profitability. Determine the right price for your product or service that covers your costs and generates a profit. Keep your pricing competitive while emphasizing the unique value you offer. Step 7. Time management. Balance your side hustle with your day job by setting clear boundaries and maximizing productivity. Step 8. Scale and grow. As your side hustle gains momentum, explore expansions and collaborations to reach a wider audience. Remember, launching a side hustle business takes dedication and hard work. But with passion and perseverance, you can turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for watching this video. And if you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to succeed in the business world.